How do children gain confidence? How do they gain self-esteem? How do I get my child to be willing to try new things? How can I get my child to overcome their shyness? Our programs help children gain confidence through two different but complementary approaches. One is direct and one indirect. We directly help children develop confidence through lessons on character traits like courage, initiative, bravery, leadership, and enthusiasm. In our Mat Chats, we provide age-appropriate examples and fully explain the benefits of being confident and exploring new experiences. Indirectly, our students learn from the environment our training provides. Children gain real confidence by encountering and overcoming real obstacles. That means being challenged, picking themselves up when they fall down, and trying again until they are successful. You can't just tell them they can do it. They need to experience doing it for themselves. Martial arts training has several unique advantages over other activities in creating an environment that breeds confidence and self-esteem. First, progress in the martial arts is individual. Your son or daughter does not have to make the team or be more athletically inclined than all the other children in order to gain a chance to participate. The instructors aren't concerned with winning games, but instead with the individual success of each student. Really knowing you are able to protect yourself does increase confidence, but that is only part of the process. We have an incredible tool for measuring achievement called the BELT system. The BELT system consists of both short-term and long-term goals. We also have the law of graduated demands. What that means is that in the beginning of your child's training, the requirements will be much less difficult than what will be expected of them at higher belt levels. This allows us to take a child with little or no confidence and quickly create patterns of success: obstacle, action, achievement. As the child's skill and confidence increases, more difficult challenges will be provided, all the way to black belt and beyond. That doesn't mean that just any achievement is handed out to our students, as real confidence only comes from overcoming real obstacles. We must see real effort and standards must be met. Understand that life-changing confidence doesn't just get developed overnight. It's a long-term process of setting and achieving goals, of attempting, failing, attempting again and again, and finally achieving success. Now you understand how martial arts can help your child gain true confidence. Please check your inbox for a confirmation email from us. After we receive your confirmation, we will contact you within 48 hours to set up a private trial course totally free of charge to see if our school is what you are looking for to help your family. Talk to you soon.